Okay, this is how I made the bow. I usually measure about 12 inches. Okay, then I fold this by half and make bunny ears from the center. If you can find double face ribbon, that's easier. This one is only one face, so it's a little bit harder, but you made the two bunny ears like this, then make it a little bigger. Okay, now this goes to the back, into the hole that you made on the back, and you try to fold this so it won't look too messy, because this becomes the front. Then just pull and this is how the bow looks. Now you have to cut the ends. And I use a highlighter so they won't fray. You can make the tail smaller. Okay, so then you compare if they are the same. As you can see, mine is a little bit, actually they are about the same. I thought it was bigger, but not really. So this is the last part to do, will be to attach the bow and to add a button to the back. So you make this tie so it will look beautiful, and you can sew this on the back, and that's it. So I hope that you like this tutorial. Please like, comment and share if you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.